Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang door lock problems and the likely reasons behind them. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Door lock problems in the Ford Mustang are commonly described as doors failing to lock or unlock using the key fob, interior switch, or key, locks operating intermittently, or one door behaving differently from the others. Verified owner reports and service information show that door lock concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical design, actuator wear, and control system behavior. One verified and frequently reported cause involves door lock actuator failure. Actuators contain small electric motors and gears that wear over time, leading to weak operation or complete failure to lock or unlock the door. Another confirmed cause relates to key fob or remote signal issues. Weak key fob batteries, signal interference, or programming problems can prevent the vehicle from receiving lock or unlock commands consistently. Wiring or electrical connection issues are also documented factors. Wires inside door panels can become damaged or loose due to repeated door movement, interrupting power to the lock actuator. Body control module behavior has also been reported. Since the body control module manages door locking logic, software issues or internal faults can cause locks to respond incorrectly or intermittently. Mechanical lock mechanism wear is another verified consideration. Dirt buildup, corrosion, or internal wear in the latch assembly can prevent smooth locking or unlocking even when the actuator is functioning. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include low battery voltage, recent battery disconnection affecting system behavior, or aftermarket alarm or remote start installations. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include replacing faulty door lock actuators, checking key fob battery condition, inspecting door wiring harnesses, scanning the body control module for fault codes, and lubricating or replacing worn lock mechanisms. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang door lock issues are resolved through actuator replacement or minor electrical repairs rather than full control module replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, door configuration, and usage patterns. In conclusion, Ford Mustang door lock problems are typically linked to actuator wear, key fob signal issues, wiring faults, body control module behavior, or mechanical latch wear. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.